Okay guys, so we're going to make some miniature dinner loaves. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use in order to make these miniature dinner loaves. So here I have 2 cups of regular all-purpose flour. I have 1 egg. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter here. I have a half cup of water and a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Here, this is warm. So I combined it, I mixed it together. Here I have about a teaspoon and a 1/4 of yeast. I have about a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, with the sesame seed, I'm going to do something a bit different. Usually, we would just either put an egg wash or put butter and sprinkle the sesame seeds on top of the dough, the bread, before we put it in the oven. But I find that invariably a lot of the sesame seeds will fall off after you take it out and you try to cut it. So what I'm going to do this time around is I'm actually going to add the sesame seed into the flour itself when we are using the kitchen aid to mix it, so that it gets incorporated into the dough, and that way you're sure you're getting the sesame seeds. So let's head over to the kitchen aid so we can get everything mixed together. Okay guys, so I did not need to use all of the milk. I have a little, just a little, let me see if I can show you. I just have a little bit remain. So as you can see, I just had a little bit remain of the milk, but I don't need to use it because everything has come together already. But I am changing the attachment now. So I'm now going to put on a different attachment. And I'm going to leave this to knead for about 8 minutes. Okay guys, so now that our dough is finished kneading, we are going to put it in a greased container. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the dough, and I'm going to put it in a container, and I'm going to leave it to rest for about 5 hours. Just sort of like getting it into a ball. So here we have our dough. So I'm just going to rest it in here, and I'm going to put some oil on it. Just oil the underside a little bit. Okay. Good. So I'm going to cover this and I'm just going to leave it for about 5 hours to rest. Okay guys, so our dough has been resting for about 5 hours now. As you can see, it has risen nicely. So this is my mini loaf pan, and I have just put a little bit of oil, coconut oil in it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the dough inside each of these, and again we're going to leave it to rise again. Okay, so we're just going to get the dough out. See, it's here. So I'm just going to make little balls out of this, and then I'm going to put them in here. So I don't know if I'll have enough to fill all of them, but let's see what we get. So I'm just pinching off a piece here, okay, and I'm just going to sort of like form it into like what I want to shape. Like that. I'm just going to put it in, press it in nicely. I'm just going to make sure it makes contact with the sides, like that. Alright, so that's one in there. Okay, so I take another piece, I shape it again. This one looks a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Let's put it in there. Alright, so here we have it. We're going to leave this in a warm place to rise. I'm going to actually put it in my microwave so that it can rest, and then it will rise again, and then we'll put it in the oven to bake at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, around there. I mean, you can check to see if it's getting too brown, and then you can shorten it according to how hot your oven is. So whether it is you want to leave it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, somewhere around there. So let's put this in the microwave so that we can give it a chance to rest and to rise again. Okay guys, so our dough has risen nicely, and now it's ready to go into the oven to bake. Okay guys, so our miniature loaves are now completed. So I'm just going to take them out and rest them here to cool. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to hit that bell notification, and that's how you would know when I upload new videos. Um, Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.